Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create monsters for Horror Engine using the Monster AI toolkit. The Monster AI toolkit is available on Fab. It's a ready-to-use system that helps you design the Monster AI behavior quick and easy. The system already has its own tutorials. I will leave a link in the description, but in this video, I will only focus on the issues you might facing when using it with Horror Engine. First, I will start by adding the navigation mesh. After that, I will add the monster class into the map. And if I press play, the monster will attack the player character, but there is no damage received. And also, if you try to attack the monster with a pistol, you will not make any damage to the monster. Okay, let's begin with the pistol issue first. To understand the issue, go to the Horror Engine folder, Blueprints, Layer, and open the Horror Engine blueprint. On the left, you will find Shoot Target Check function. This function is responsible for the damage that's coming from the pistol. Open it. And here is the issue. The issue is happening because the system is trying to cast to use, and the monster is not inherited from that class. So what you need to do is, after the cast is failed, you need to make another casting to the monster. After that, use this casting to apply damage to the monster. You will need to get a reference to the player character. Also get its own location. You need that to give the apply point damage all the info it needs. Also, you will need to split the hit info to pass the hit information from the line trace. Let's see. Yeah. Now it's working. I can apply damage to the monster. The other issue you will face that you need to apply damage to the player character the same way the Horror Engine applies damage to get the damage effect and the damage sound. So let's go to HE Horror Engine character, and here we can damage. So that we will get actor class, and we will get Horror Engine class. So we can use it to get damage. We'll connect it with damage float. And also you can split the event setting, so you can customize the damage effect. Let's see. Now you can receive a damage from the monster. If you still have any issue, please leave a comment or join our Discord server. Thanks for watching.